Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Melani. I will explain about rainbow. Oke, ini adalah gambaran proses terjadinya pelangi. Sunlight atau sinar matahari yang dibiasi oleh raindrops atau titik-titik air hujan akan menciptakan sebuah rainbow alias pelangi. Baik, untuk lebih jelasnya akan saya sampaikan di slide berikut. Rainbow is a large spectrum arch that occurs due to the refraction of sunlight by water droplets. A rainbow is an optical and meteorological phenomenon in the form of parallel multicolored light visible in the sky or other medium. In the sky, a rainbow appears as an arch of light point at the horizon at a time of light rain. Rainbows can also be seen around the rushing waterfalls. Sunlight is polychromatic light consists of many colors. The white color of sunlight is actually a combination of various light with different wavelength. The human eye is able to perceive at least 7 colors contained in sunlight, which will be seen in a rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Raindrops in the rainbow phenomenon act as mirrors that reflect sunlight into the eyes. Different colors of light are reflected at different angles. Each water drop has one wavelength in our eyes, so that in the end, an observer can see the complete rainbow. This is the kinds of rainbows. The first is classic rainbow, waterfall rainbow, red rainbow, circular rainbow, sundogs, fire rainbow, secondary rainbows, and moonbows. Classic rainbows consist of 6 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The intensity of each color depends on various conditions and atmosphere of time. Circular rainbow appears only at certain elevation on high plains such as on hills, mountains, slopes, buildings, and other highlands area. When the viewing distance is wide enough and the raindrops are sufficient, it will give the possibility that the light will refract perfectly and form a full circle. Secondary rainbow is a rainbow that appears when there is a primary rainbow which will appear first, and then followed by a secondary rainbow whose color is usually not striking and dim. Unlike the primary rainbow, because the secondary rainbow has certain characteristic and the color is displayed in reverse from the primary rainbow color. Red rainbows are usually seen at dawn or dusk when the thickness of the Earth's atmosphere filters blue. Looks red or looks like orange light droplets reflect and refract the water. The result is a rainbow with a red end of the spectrum. Most commonly seen low in the sky on a clear winter day. Sundogs occur when the sun shines through ice crystal high in the atmosphere. Sundogs are red on the inside and purple on the outside, with the rest of the spectrum bustling in between. The thicker the concentration of ice crystal in the air, the thicker the structure. Waterfall rainbow is a type of rainbow that usually uses fog in its refraction process, which is usually a waterfall mist that will mix in a continuous, constant flow of atmospheric air. This rainbow is not made of fire. The name for this beautiful optical effect is circumhorizontal arch. This phenomenon can only be seen under certain specific conditions. Cirrus clouds, which act like primes, must be at least 20,000 feet high, and the sun should be shining when they are 58 until 68 degrees high. Rainbow fire was never seen in location more than 55 degrees north or south. This rainbow is harder to see because the rainstorm must pass and idly. A bright full moon is not obstructed by clouds. Rainbow color fact. First, rainbow consists of millions colors. Second, the shape of the rainbow is different for everyone. Third, the color and shape of the rainbow are influenced by the position of the sun. Fourth, sequence of rainbow colors is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Conclusion: we can see the rainbow phenomenon when it rains, when the sun shines from the opposite direction from us facing. Therefore, our position must be between the sun and the raindrops where the sun is behind us. The simple explanation is like this. We act as observers while the sun and the center of the rainbow act as object. With the following circumstance, we can witness the beautiful colors of the rainbow firsthand. The colors of the rainbow that will appear include red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Okay, this is the question for audience. The first question is how a rainbow can be formed. Second, what colors are there in the rainbow? Third, what rainbow do you like the most and why? 4. What can do you learn about rainbows? And the last, explain back about the rainbow briefly. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.